If your video is shaky, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove shake on CapCut quickly and easily. This is one of the simplest ways to make your footage look smoother, cleaner, and much more professional without needing any advanced editing skills. Whether you filmed on your phone, recorded while moving, or just ended up with a clip that has a little too much camera shake, CapCut has a built-in stabilizer that can help fix it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and import the shaky video clip you want to fix. You can usually do this by dragging your clip from your media library and dropping it onto your main timeline track. Once the clip is on the timeline, left-click it so it becomes selected. This step is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to edit. Now, look over to the Properties panel on the upper right side of the screen. This is where CapCut keeps most of your video settings. Make sure you are on the Video tab and then go into the Basic sub-tab if you are not already there. This is where the Stabilization option lives. Next, scroll down through the basic options until you find Stabilize. When you see it, click the checkbox or toggle switch next to it to turn it on. CapCut will then start analyzing your clip in the background. Depending on the length and quality of your video, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to process. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see a drop-down menu underneath the stabilization option. This is where you choose how strong you want the shake reduction to be. If you want the best balance between smooth motion and keeping your full frame, choose recommended. This is usually the best option for most videos because it gives you clean stabilization without too much cropping. If you want to preserve as much of the original frame as possible, choose minimum cut. This setting keeps more of your image visible, but the shake correction will be lighter. And if your footage is extremely shaky and you want the strongest possible fix, choose most stable. This applies a more aggressive AI smoothing effect, which can remove heavy jitter, but it may zoom in or crop the edges of your video a little more. After choosing the option that fits your clip best, preview the video to see how it looks. If the result feels too cropped, try a lighter setting. If it still looks shaky, move up to a stronger setting. This is why it helps to test each option and compare the results before exporting. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can remove shake on CapCut and turn an unstable clip into something much smoother and easier to watch. This is a great trick for vlog clips, handheld phone videos, action shots, and any footage that needs a cleaner finish. If you found this useful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.